Join me as I take my Hilux Vigo on an unforgettable nature adventure and see if I can conquer the wildest terrains out there. In this video, you'll join us on an unforgettable adventure with the Hilux Vigo as we explore stunning landscapes and hidden gems. Many outdoor enthusiasts struggle to find the perfect vehicle that combines rugged capability with comfort for long journeys into nature. Finding a balance between these two aspects can be tough, and it's common to have to compromise on one or the other. The great outdoors has so much to offer, from dense forests to vast deserts, and having the right vehicle can make all the difference in your adventure. For many, the search for the perfect vehicle can be a long and frustrating process, with some settling for a vehicle that doesn't quite meet their needs. The Hilux Vigo is a vehicle that has gained a reputation for being a great all-rounder, capable of handling tough terrains while also providing a comfortable ride. Its robust design and powerful engine make it an attractive option for those who want to venture off the beaten path. The Hilux Vigo's ability to handle challenging terrains is due in part to its impressive ground clearance and suspension system, which work together to provide a smooth ride even on the toughest roads. We'll take a closer look at the Hilux Vigo's features, such as its off-road capabilities, spacious interior, and technology that makes it ideal for nature excursions. The Hilux Vigo's off-road capability